Where are the pie pans, Tina?
Why? Do you want to bake a pie, Sandy?
Yes, have you seen all the utensils for baking a pie?
Look in the cupboard above the oven.
Okay. First, I need to make the dough for the crust.
Right. For that, you'll need flour, water, salt and butter.
That was easy. Now I just need to roll out the dough with a rolling pin.
Good. Now you need to lay the dough in the pie pan.
What's next?
We're going to make the filling.
I'll need apples, sugar, lemon juice and cinnamon.
That smells delicious. Can I taste it?
No, you have to wait until the pie is finished.
Okay, then pour the filling into the pie shell.
How long does the pie have to bake in the oven?
For about 40 minutes.
Okay, the pie is ready. Do you want a slice?
Yes, of course.
I think there's something wrong with the pie.
Yuck. It tastes awful. What did you use to make the filling?
Bananas.
But this is supposed to be an apple pie.